This was me in 2023. Tired, constantly scrolling, chasing things I didn't even want. No direction, just noise. I thought I was living, but I was just existing. And this is me in 2025. Not perfect, definitely not at the finish line, but so much more confident, so much more calm, and definitely so much more self aware because I changed my habits, and those habits changed everything. Hi everyone, I'm Shan, and today I'm going to start my video differently. I want to ask you a question. Why do you want to change? Because if you are watching one self-help video after another self-help video and you are constantly saving advices and uske baad bhi you are feeling stuck, it might be because, sweetheart, you haven't answered this question that why do you want to change? So ask yourself this today. Because once you know your why, you don't need to watch 1,000 motivational video every single day. Discipline and consistency will come so much easier to you. And you know what? Only by being disciplined and consistent at something you can change your life. Habit number 1, doing things alone. So in 2023, I was still at home. And honestly, I come from a privileged household जहाँ पर everything was done for me. In fact, जब भी बाहर भी जाना होता था, I mostly went with my parents or my siblings or my friends. I never traveled alone. Neither did anything by my own self. I think so some of you might relate to me in this that दुकान में जाके कुछ खरीद के लाना was also a big thing for me because it was so awkward and I used to avoid it at all costs. Cut to few months later in 2023 only, a person जो घर से भी बाहर इतना नहीं निकलता था now was traveling to a completely different country. And suddenly there was no one, just me. From smallest things like buying grocery, traveling alone, cooking, to big things like now managing my own finances. It was so terrifying. But then it became the most freeing thing I've ever done. I became independent. I started trusting my own self. And somewhere in the silence, in all those solo walks, solo decisions, and solo meals, I started to truly find who I was. And here's the truth no one talks about. The more you start learning to enjoy your own company and being alone, the more you will be into healthier relationships. Because now you will be choosing them. Now you don't need people to function. Now you can rely on people without losing your own self. And doing things alone does not mean that you hate people. It simply means that you started enjoying your own company. And now you don't come into a relationship from a place of emptiness or void. You choose people who add to your life that you already enjoy. So I would suggest to every single person out there who is dependent on someone to do every single thing, learn to do things alone. Even if those people are very healthy around you, you will become so much confident in that whole process, and it's going to be one of the most best decisions that you will take in your life. Habit number 2, meditation. I know, meditation is something that is all over the internet. Every person is talking about it. But अगर 10,000 लोग यही चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो it is for a reason. This one habit completely made my life so much better. I'm so much more calmer. And in the start, I also did not enjoy meditation. It was honestly something very much more difficult than I thought it would be. But now I have been doing meditation for a year on and off for 10 minutes at least every single day. And I can tell you it is one of the best habits I inculcated in my life because mostly हम लोग either past में जीते हैं या तो फ्यूचर में जीते हैं. बहुत कम लोग हैं जो प्रेजेंट पे रहते हैं. एंड द रियलिटी ऑफ लाइफ इज यू ओनली हैव द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट. देयर इज नथिंग लाइक पास्ट और फ्यूचर रियलिटी में. सो आई वुड से यू टू टेक अ 30 days challenge and do meditation for 5 to 10 minutes every single day. You will see the result your own self. And 100%. I've said this in my previous video. Anything that is good for you, starting में करने में मजा नहीं आता है. But eventually you will see the benefit of it, whether it's workout, whether it's meditation, whether it's studying. You won't enjoy it in the start, but you will see the difference slowly and steadily. And it's completely worth it. So अगर आप complain कर करके थक चुके हो and आपको genuinely अपनी life change करनी है, so start doing this habit. Take this 30 days challenge from today and stick to it as if your life depends on it. Habit number 3, becoming very intentional with what I consume. This is again one of life-changing habits that completely altered my every single day, is becoming very intentional with what I consume. And I'm not just talking about food, I'm talking about content, I'm talking about people, conversation that I let into my space and my mind. See, हम लोग में से बहुत लोग हैं जो randomly scroll करते हैं and we think that it's harmless, right? Wrong. You don't understand this, but the content that you consume is what you become. And I'm telling this from experience, honey. In 2023, I was mostly on all the platforms. But in the start of 2025, I decided to delete all of my social media except YouTube. And on YouTube as well, I chose to unsubscribe, unfollow anyone and everyone who did not put value in my life in any way. Because reality ये है कि जो चीज आपको फ्री लग रहा है ना वो आपका टाइम ले रहा है एंड आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि आपका टाइम कितना प्रेशियस है. But sooner or later, you will realize this fact. And it's been 6 months since I am no more on social media. And I can already say, I feel so less overwhelmed. In fact, I'm focusing so much more on myself, my life, and I'm living my life finally. Before, I was thinking of next kya khareedna hai. Now, I'm thinking of what value I can provide to the world and how through that I can level up my life. I'm working on my purpose, I'm working on my passion. So ask yourself this question: the content that you consume, is it adding value to your life or it is taking away from it? Now I only choose to consume content that adds wisdom in my life, that help me become my higher self and to entertain myself. I watch movies, sometimes I watch series, cook, I really like baking, or I draw, or I read books. Like I've replaced all of that with so many more things that feel so much better. Because again, to remind you, the truth is what we consume is what we become. And even if your surrounding is not very growth oriented, if you choose to consume content of people who are constantly working on themselves, constantly manifesting things that they want, and they are honestly achieving their dreams, that will help you completely change your mindset, which will eventually come into your action and will change your life. So I'm not saying delete social media, that is my choice, although that's a great choice. But just block, mute, unsubscribe, unfollow anyone who does not add to your life, anyone who is not showing you what a real life actually looks like. And at least once or twice in a year, take social media detox, जिसमें आप कम से कम 5 दिन तक कुछ कहीं का नहीं देख रहे हो. You are only working on your own self. So that was the 3 habits that completely changed my life. And at the end, I want to say, start small. आपको starting में perfect होने का जरूरत नहीं है. You just need to start today. Because एक decision जो आप आज ले रहे हो, like waking up in the morning, meditating for 5 minutes, will create momentum and eventually that will in turn become your habits and habits shape your life. I am Shan. I'm not perfect. I just choose to live a life with intention, and if I can, so can you. This is your life. Don't just watch it, live it. And obviously, whenever you need someone to again remind you to get back to your own life, I'm here because I genuinely want each of you, whoever is watching this, to have a fulfilling life full of purpose, presence, depth, and a lot of joy. So that was all for this video. I hope you got some value out of it. And you know what? You're extremely strong. Just start small. Just start today. I don't want any of your complaints anymore because you deserve a freaking amazing life and you can only create that. Bye bye. I love you and I truly, truly appreciate you.